Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Well. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. Haven't done one of these for a little while. I've got some products that I've obviously kept in a drawer and I need to review. Before we get into the video and the product, I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the product, the content, the video, the whole, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you like it, tells me that you want to see more, and the video will go around and people will see it and then they can like it too. So don't forget to do that massive thumbs button. If you're not subscribed to tazwells12, then please subscribe to me. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button on top of my main page, and then there's a bell notification at the top too to tell you when I've uploaded a new video, and you can see it straight there and then you can be part of the love family. I just want to say that the video is not sponsored in any way. It's just all out of my own money and what I found, and it's not sponsored by any places or any brand. It's just, like I said, an advice video for you guys. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my main normal account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Comment down below if you like the video or like the product, or got something from this place, or got a bargain. Let me know down below, anything, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. That is enough of me rambling. We have gone on for nearly 2 minutes now. Let's get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. Firstly, I just want to excuse me for my nails. They're pretty gross. They've got to be done. I'll do them later, but I've just left them. They're half decent, but yeah, just excuse me for that. The product that we're going to review is this liquid lipstick that I actually got in Poundland, which was really, really good. I don't know if you've heard what I've said before, but Poundland with their makeup at the moment, this is not me slating them at all. It's just the fact that Poundland have obviously noticed that they were getting really good brands in and they were only selling it for £1, and now they've literally upped their game and put some extra money on some of these items, which is still not expensive. But when I was only getting it for £1, and probably other people, it was so much better, because I don't know the brand of this. Plus, it was only good to test out for £1. So just be careful. There is some like little items you can still get for £1, but a lot of the main items are a bit more pricier. This was what I got, and this is from CIATE, and I've never tried anything from CIATE. I've heard this is really good makeup. I've seen it in TK Maxx, but I've never ever tried it. But at that time when I saw these, they had quite a few different colours, so I grabbed all the nudes and I grabbed the dark brown. So I will individually do a video for each one. So this one is the Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and there is 6.5 ml in here. This is in the colour Delight. It's really tiny to see at the top, but yeah, that's where the sort of names were. That's how I knew what I wasn't picking up the same. They have got a Twitter, a Facebook, and an Instagram, as I was saying, on the side. And then this is a long wear velvet formula, high impact colour, contains hyaluronic acid, so that like plumps up your lips a little bit or gives it a nice little moisture into them. That's basically what it is, because you can put hyaluronic acid on your face. It's basically to give that bump before you put makeup or foundation on. On the back it says, the precious tipped wand allows for perfect application. First define lip line, then fill in for intense velvet lip colour. And that is basically what it says on the tin. Let's open this up and have a look at the packaging. And that is the main packaging. There's probably like a little distinct light on it, because that's my ring light, because you can see that outside is way too bright. It just says CIatelondon Liquid Velvet on it, and that's obviously the packaging and the colour. which looks pretty good. I got most of the nudes. I was like, for £1, let's get some nudes. And I'll show you the wand. I've not tried this at all, so it's pretty brand new. Like a little pointy arrow, if you can see that. So that'd be really good to put on your lips. I'm actually not gonna lip line with these. I'm just gonna try it on my lips, see what the formula's like, see how it fits, see how it sits on your lips, see how it dries, literally give it the proper review testing tutorial, because I've done ones on liquid lipsticks where they're saying they're liquid lipsticks and then they end up coming off. I'm just going to quickly just clean over my lips to make sure I've got no product on there, and then we will get into it and I will show you. I've come a little bit closer, as you can see in the view that I have got a mirror here, so if I look down I will try to keep in view of you as well, but I am going to use the mirror to put it on because with this you can't do it very well. Set up. I'm going to swipe some off the side because there's quite a lot of product and I don't want to start with loads of product just in case it's too thick on the lips. We're going to start with the bottom lip because that is my fullest lip, and then we're going to the top. Oh, it's very pigmented, as you can see. Well, that's why I love this like arrow shaped wand, because I'm just going to smudge it in, because it also gives you that really easy application. Don't think I'm going to have to dip in again. I think there's quite a lot of product on here, so I'm glad I kind of swiped them off. Right, so I've finished now, as you can see. It is, oh, it is like, I was about to say it's very nude, but it is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. But I kind of do like it. It does kind of sit and it's very, very nice. It's very lightweight, like you can feel a bit of tightness on there. That might be the acid, like the hyaluronic acid, because I said like literally that just gives you the moisture back in your lips. It feels very lightweight, which is really, really nice. It might be best to do like a lip scrub before, but my lips are very dry, so it might be best to like put like a lip scrub and then like a lip balm and then do this, because it literally takes a bit of your moisture out your lips. But like I said, it's very, very comfortable, very easy to applicate. I really did not need a lip liner for that, so that is a really good bonus because it's just more easier. But now I've like rubbed it in and I haven't put so much product on it, I do like a lot more. Like this is a very nice lipstick and colour that you could wear out for the day, the evening. It's very like versatile. It is a little bit more lighter than I did expect. That's not a bad thing because it's, like I said, it's very good for the day. You can see that it's on my lips, but you can't probably see, like, I wouldn't look at someone if they had this on and be like, oh, you've got lipstick on, because it just enhances your lips because it's that colour, which is really, really nice. We will do the kiss test in a moment. I'm just letting it sort of settle into my lips, sort of dry a bit because I've just only put it on. But I think I put the right amount on, and I'm really hoping this doesn't like come off, because it is a very nice lipstick and you could go around. For literally for £1, I was really happy with them, and I heard CIATE is such a good mate, but never like tried it. It was a good excuse. So I'm just gonna go off camera, let it dry a little bit longer, and then we'll. So it's had enough time to dry, so I will do the kiss on the back of my hand. It's just a test that I do just to make sure that these are sitting like a velvet liquid lipstick, because it actually does say liquid lipstick on it, so it's good to try this out. Okay, so I'm a little bit disappointed about that, because there has a bit of colour come off, but because it's a nude I can get away with that, if that makes sense. But if you had a darker colour, which I have got in one of these, which I will do a video for you, that's not going to be great. But it's took a little bit of the colour off as well. Like, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the top is took a little bit off in the middle. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's fine. You can see most of the colour still. A bit disappointed that that's come off. That's what I don't understand with liquid lipsticks. The only liquid lipstick that I've had really good like melts, but it does literally take all the moisture out of your lips, is the Maybelline like Stay one, and they are really good, and literally I've Royal Red on with that and it literally stays on like it is. So they are a bit more expensive, but they are really good. Yeah, I think we're going to end this video and then I'll give it a rating. So my rating out of this is, the good points is it's a lovely colour, natural, daytime, evening, very versatile. Disappointing that it's not a fully matte lipstick, and some did come off and some of the colour did come off, but in overall I am actually going to give this rating of a thumbs up, because I can see myself using this. I can see it really good, because like I said, it's really lightweight on your lips. It's really nice, so you know that even if you did wear that for the evening, it will come off a little bit, but you can reapply it and it's not gonna stain your lips, and also it's not gonna make you feel uncomfortable all the night. So yeah, my rating is a massive thumbs up. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video, which is for the makeup review testing tutorial on the Poundland CIATE Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Delight, which, like you said, my rating was a massive thumbs up. But like I said, it has come to the end of the video. If you did like the product, then do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, or the video or the advice, anything in the video, give it a massive thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification. Comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you, and like, comment every single time. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by CIATE or Poundland or any other brands I did mention. It's all out of my own money, what I found, and advice video for you guys, so not sponsored at all. Like I said, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you liked it. I will bring a lot more of these makeup ones coming to you. It just depends on how I go for my work schedule. But I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon. Bye.